y'all. Sorry for looking crazy like this. It's 2:23. My sister just landed at the airport. I'm getting ready to go to the beach. I'm about to go get a drink from the store. Come home, shower. And yeah, hopefully this is a nice little beach vibe. So.
Oh my god, he's skinny! That's crazy!
From the Des Moines week.
Alcohol.
Shit, huh?
Only one shot.
Your vlog's gonna get me thrown up off one shot. Let's see, man.
What do you want with me?
Found the better recruit the model.
Model's a stretch, I don't know.
What? Oh, that's crazy! I know you're recording right now.
It's locked in.